It's a morning here in Kenya, Saturday morning. So I've decided today to just, instead of only chilling in the house because it's raining outside, so I decided today I can just maybe do shoulders workouts in the house. Um, I'm going to show you guys the workouts that I do for concerning my shoulders, so that maybe you can copy and also incorporate into your workouts. Yeah, for that, I look forward to sharing this video. So, of course, this is a fitness channel. For those who don't know, and also sometimes I do vlogging, YouTube vlogs and everything, travel vlogs. So, subscribe, hit the notification button, and share this video also. I've just finished it's called what, the annual press, and I've progressed to do the front raises. For both, I usually do total complete 3 sets. Repetitions doesn't matter to failure. I think after this I can do lateral uh, other raises, and then I can see how it will progress with my end. So far the pump is good, as you can see, and I'm kinda tired. But yeah, this is another set, so let's go. I'm actually punching. So I'm going to do my last workout for my shoulder today. So I've done arnold shoulder press, followed by front raises, and also side lateral raises. And I'm finishing with shrugs. So you see how it goes so far. It goes for 3 exercises. That's will complete my shoulder workout for today.